I have reviewed various type of mechanical keyboards, whether they are low profile or they're really great in aesthetics. But today, we want to see a gaming keyboard which sounds really good but has a really great performance as well. Not to worry. So today we are here with EPOMAKER HE75 V2. This keyboard is for $89.99. It comes in two variants. One is black and another one is white. Now, this keyboard is sent to me by EPOMAKER, but all the thoughts and opinions are of my own. So, without wasting time, let's get into the unboxing. These are the EPOMAKER Creamy Jade switches. They sound really good, and even being Hall effect, they sound absolutely amazing compared to even a mechanical keyboard. They're close bottom, which makes the sound really good as well. If I be honest, this is the creamiest sounding Hall effect keyboard. At this budget range, we don't find any Hall effect keyboard which sounds really good. Most of them are sounding clacky, tactile, those type, And also, the software for this keyboard is really amazing. It's really customizable. And guess what? It has per K RGB as well. Now, EPOMAKER has done really great job with their entire V2 series. Previously, their keyboards were not that much customizable via the software. But this time, they are way more customizable. Let's just get straight into it. So this is V4 software by EPOMAKER. It is currently offline software, but there are news that they can also bring the web-based software for this as well. The software is everything which should be there in a Hall effect keyboard. So there are magnetic settings, advanced settings, which we can control the snap, tap, SOCD, DKS, all those things. We can also do a simulation test. So I'll just speed it up for you guys and you can see. So these are macro settings, and if you want to disable keys and those stuff, this is the simulation area. So we already know that this thing has 0.005 mm of actuation, which is of course a lot crazy stuff. Also forgot to mention this thing has like 5 layer of dampening, being silicone foam and sponge and sandwich foam, all stuff. I tried the SOCD or the snap tap for this and it's really smooth. These are all the function settings, and we got some good functions like you can see this one. Yeah, so we can see the current battery of this keyboard. Also, we can control the speed of RGB, the effects of RGB. There are many good things. We can obviously set up the macros, and here comes the most interesting part, which will be lighting settings. I'll just speed this thing up so you don't waste your time and you can enjoy the RGB as well. So that was it for the normal RGB of the keyboard. We'll see the custom one as well. But they actually did listen to what I said previously, which was to be able to control the side light of the keyboard. In the TH108 V2 Pro, we couldn't control the RGB, but this one, it has everything in the software which we should have. It does have per key RGB, which is obviously amazing. But another small feature which is really good to have is random color. So we can just pick it and just drag over and we'll get any random color effects and we can apply them and voila. The polycarbon keycaps of this design are really amazing by EPOMAKER. I think they've done absolutely amazing job with this software, this keycap and the entire keyboard itself. Now those were all the things about the software and the RGB and the keycaps, but how about the performance? So without wasting time, let me show the polling rate and a gameplay video for this. Now I'm using the keyboard inspector, which is widely used for testing the polling rate. And all you need to do is start recording and press some of keys particularly, and then keep pressing them and then stop the recording and check out the testing. So there we go. We can just do the enter 2 and yeah, we can clearly see, yeah, it's clearly 8K polling and I had no issue with this one. Let's get into the gameplay.
Lights out.
कोडिंग लेता आजा कोडिंग लेती हुई क्या है वो तो तीनों के एक साथ सही है
भाई तो भाई है ना भाई
ठीक से मार दिया मैं तो बस चिल कर रहा हूँ भाई अरे चिल कर
कोई ना भाई
चिल नहीं करना है अरे ब्रो ब्रो ब्रो
उफ
मैं गन चूज कर रहा था मार दे कितने अंदर
Bad luck.
मैं तो चिल कर रहा हूँ यार बस
You're done.
ब्रो
Embarrassing.
अरे ब्रो 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 मैं किसी को नहीं मार रहा मतलब एक ही जगह बैठा हूँ जो आ रहा है वो मार खा रहा है
10 kills remaining.
Killed them.
अरे ब्रो
भी हार्डकोर खेल रहा हूँ तो ध्यान नहीं है मेरा
Die.
5 kills
Anyone
remaining.
else?
अरे ब्रो
3. Die.
1 kill remaining.
oh nice
One left.
So as you saw the gameplay, it was really good. The keyboard didn't hold me back at all. The 8K pooling was perfect in my opinion. SOCD, SnapTab, whatever you call it, it was all fine, literally perfect. I didn't have any anti-ghosting issues. Whenever I was trying to press the key, it was actuating. Whenever I left it, it was deactivating. So it was like one of the best experience in Hall FX series. I would say under the budget, this keyboard is literally one of the best out there in the sound, in the gameplay, in the performance, in the RGB as well. The keycaps look really amazing. During unboxing, if you did notice, we also had got 2 extra keycaps. Now there is a use of it. What is it? Let's see. Now the knob for this keyboard is actually replaceable, which is so amazing and unique, right? So we can replace this knob with extra switches and keycap which we had previously got. It's really super simple. You remove the knob, put on the switches which you got. So we're getting 4 switches this time, as those 2 are going to be print and insert, right? So you get them and apply those diffuser based switches. The light diffuser are so amazing. And just put on the keycaps. That's it. No issues at all, right? So this thing is absolutely amazing and customizable as well. I really love this keyboard, and I would say the sound test is going to be amazing for this one. To conclude the video, I would say this keyboard is literally the best in my collection. It's actually top notch from even the budget, like we're getting it for $90. That's amazing. It actually competes with mechanical as well as the Hall Effect series. So the sound is absolutely amazing, which you will hear at last. The SOCD, snap tap, performance wise, RGB effects, keycaps, it's all literally one of the best keyboard I would say. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying all of that cause EPOMAKER has sent me this keyboard. I genuinely believe that this keyboard is one of the best out there in Hall Effect series. If you have seen my previous videos, I genuinely try to find any cons for any keyboard. But this one, I would say I have not found any. I mean, let's say if you don't like the PC keycaps, you might not like the keyboard. To me personally, I'm loving the RGB. The keycaps are really great. I would give this keyboard a 9.826253456767 out of 10. Now let me know your thoughts and let's see you in the next one. Enjoy the sound test.
Yeah.